first thought about becoming a handmade soaper, I was nervous for two main reasons. One, how hard was it going to be to understand the saponification process? The whole mixing of a lye solution with oils and butters to get a good product. And two, how expensive was this going to be? And to my relief, there was a lot of resources out there for beginner soapers. And two, I learned that a lot of the basic soaping ingredients were right there at my fingertips and were really inexpensive. So I decided to create this video to help contribute to the process of new soapers. I wanted to share a recipe with you all that was, I think, fairly easy and fairly inexpensive. And this recipe uses 4 basic ingredients. I use sodium hydroxide or lye, distilled water, canola oil, and coconut oil. And if you like, you can also throw in a 5th ingredient, which is an essential oil or a fragrance oil of your choice, but it's completely optional. Coconut oil is used in a lot of basic soaping recipes because it helps keep your bar hard. However, if used in excess, it can also seem kind of harsh to your skin or drying. So that's why I decided to use canola oil in this recipe, because canola oil has a very thick, stable lather and it provides additional moisture. So I thought these 2 ingredients at a 50-50% was good for a beginner. But for now, we're just gonna stick with these basics. And welcome to my kitchen, my makeshift soaping studio. I'm gonna try to make 6 bars of soap today, and it says that each of these cavities is approximately 4 ounces. So I based my recipe off of 24 ounces of oil weight. So I'm going to start off by weighing my canola oil.
My God, can't take my eye off you. Can't take my eye off you. Dim guy, don't got nothing on you. Don't got nothing on you. My heart is ready for something I haven't had in a long time. True love crime, I hope you know that it may hurt for a while. Let's slow down.
So for me, this is when the clock starts ticking, as soon as I create my lye solution.
Go, break. You're nice, sweet, smooth, like go, break. Go, break. You're nice, like go.
And I use the heat transfer method. That means I use the heat from my lye solution to melt my hard oils and butters.
Driving dick, watch a movie. Right by your side on duty. Not too much, not too sweet. Ooh, passion from your truly. Let me know how you feel. Hope I'm not in too deep. Me, what, Phoebe? We die, fever. Won't be alone forever. Get through the storm together. Ooh, girl, make some room. I know you still, you're nice, sweet.
I'm going to add this batter to my room temperature canola oil. So I'm going to start blending just until I reach emulsion, and that's when you really have a homogeneous like mixture. But when you pull your immersion blender out, you don't see a grainy textureness to it.
My mind can't take my mind off you, baby. Oh, come be my lady. Oh, give me a baby. Got me talking crazy. You're nice, sweet, smooth, like go, break. Go, break.
Now I'm going to add my fragrance oil to my mixture. Now we're going to blend until we see a light trace, and that's kind of like a very thin pancake batter.
Can't take my eye off you. Can't take my eye off you. Dim guy, don't got nothing on you. Don't got nothing on you. My heart is ready for something I have been had in a long time. True love crime. I hope you know that it may hurt for a while. Let's slow down, slow down. I can see behind that broken smile. Nice, sweet, smooth, like cocoa bread, cocoa bread. You're nice, sweet, smooth, like cocoa bread.
So it's been a full 24 hours, and it is now safe to remove my soap out of the mold. And they slide out really nice. And this is the final soap bar. It is very hard. It's not soft, it's super hard. But before we use them, we want to let them cure for about 4 to 6 weeks. That makes sure that the soap bar is completely cured, and it will last longer if you allow the appropriate time to cure. And also that curing time allows the water to evaporate out of your soap mold as well. You have to remember that we used a sodium hydroxide solution, so you really don't want to use the soap immediately. However, I do want to try and do a lather test with these, so I'm going to take you all to my sink and I'm going to do a lather test with my gloves. Okay, now I'm going to do a soap test. I want to see if this lathers. It's kind of hard to get that lather. Oh well, I was going to say it's kind of hard to rub it with gloves, but I take that back. I'm actually getting some good lather there. It lathers really well, and I can feel it's soft and smooth. You probably couldn't even hear anything I just said. I was saying that it lathers really well, and it feels really soft and smooth. I can actually feel that through the gloves. But this is the final soap bar, and I like it. I'm gonna come back in a couple of weeks and test it again.
My God, can't take my eye off you. Can't take my eye off you. Dim guy, don't got nothing on you.
It's so nice. I like it. I really wish you guys could feel this. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Oh, I love it. If you want to try this recipe, I guarantee you will absolutely love it. Oh, and it smells so good. So if you want this recipe, it's going to be posted on my Patreon that's in the description box below. Please like and subscribe if you like the video, and please hit that notification tab so you can be notified next time I post more videos. I'm sorry, but I just absolutely love this. I didn't even use a lot of water, and it's really creamy like. You guys saw I didn't add a lot of water, right? You saw that? I love it. Okay, I'm out. Okay, bye guys.
Passion from your truly. Let me know how you feel. Hope I'm not in too deep. Phoebe.